welcome back. As we continue to look at the year 2009 for people and politics of Balochistan, now it is time to turn to an issue that has been at the forefront of West's concerns about Pakistan's largest province and a gateway to volatile southern Afghanistan. During the year 2009, Balochistan remained in the international limelight as Western and American press frequently reported the presence of Mullah Omar and Taliban's Quetta Shura. US officials claim that the Quetta Shura is responsible for covert operations inside the volatile southern Afghanistan.
First of all, it would be unreasonable to say that there are no Taliban in Baluchistan. I think we've established over the years the Taliban freely pass over the borders between Afghanistan, Baluchistan, and even some members of your own government have said that they know they travel to Karachi, they travel to Islamabad, they move all around the country.
On at least 15 different occasions, NATO tankers have been attacked in Balochistan. So far, 50 containers and tankers carrying fuel for NATO troops have been set ablaze in Balochistan. This has fanned fears among the people that the US will expand drone attacks into Balochistan.
The Americans, they will themselves jeopardize their own interests because the flow of the goods and the logistic routes coming all the way from the port of Karachi to Kandahar and onwards, they will put that in danger.
There has been no let-up in ethnic and sectarian target killings. Today, a sense of insecurity prevails among the people. According to police officials, 70 people have fallen victim to targeted killings in Quetta alone.
इनसे गुजारिश है कि खुदा के लिए कुछ कीजिए, मैं आपसे कह रही हूँ कुछ कीजिए, ऐसा ना हो कि फिर हमारे कबाइल जो है, हजारा कबाइल जो है वो हथियार उठाने पे मजबूर हो जाए। और मेरा दिल इतना भरा हुआ है कि अगर ऐसा हुआ तो सबसे पहले मैं हथियार लूंगी। जब जाहिर है जब गवर्नमेंट मुझे दिफा नहीं दे सकती, मेरी फैमिली को प्रोटेक्ट नहीं कर सकती, मुझे प्रोटेक्शन नहीं दे सकती।
Despite various claims of improvement by the government, cases of target killings have been on a constant rise. Many security officials mutely acknowledge this and say unless convincing political measures are adopted, a military solution alone will fail to end the unrest here. Balochistan's Minister for Education, Shafiq Ahmed Khan, was killed outside his residence on the 25th of October. The Frontier Corps was deployed in June to maintain law and order. Police officials, however, claim to have made some headway in their investigations.
जिनके खिलाफ भी शहादतें मयसर नहीं आ रही थी या इस चीज़ में टारगेट किलिंग में इन्वॉल्व थे या सपोर्ट करते थे, वो तकरीबन 60 या 70 के करीब हमने 3 MPO के तहत जो है वो बिहाइंड दी बार भिजवाए हैं, नज़रबंद कराए हैं और उनमें उनके लिए JIT मुकर्रर कराई है। JIT उनको इंटरोगेट कर रही है। जो ही उनकी JIT जो उनको खिलाफ रिपोर्ट देगी, ब्लैक करे, वाइट करे या ग्रे करे, उसके मुताबिक उनके खिलाफ एक्शन हो जाएगा।
The trial of Pervez Musharraf remains one of the long-standing demands of Baloch nationalist parties. Nawabzada Jamil Bukti, the son of Nawab Bukti, filed a petition in Balochistan High Court seeking registration of FIR against the former president in connection with his father's murder. However, the petitioner says that the trial of Pervez Musharraf would not solve long-standing issues.
No, it will not help just by hanging Pervez Musharraf and his bunch of crooks like Wais Ghani and Jam Yusuf and all. That will not solve the problem of Baloch people and of Balochistan. That is much more serious matter that has to be addressed if they want to address that. But at the moment, I don't see anyone working towards solving the Baloch problem. But by hanging Pervez Musharraf, he's just going to be brought to justice for the crimes he committed against human beings and killing innocent people.
Nawab Bakhti's son, however, is not the only one demanding Pervez Musharraf stand trial for the murder of his father and other political workers.
Musharraf should be tried in imposing martial law. Musharraf should be tried for kidnapping thousands of political workers, along with killing of Nawab Akbar Bakhti or some other political workers.
Along with a number of reforms, the Baluchistan cabinet has approved the much-awaited restoration of the levees. Similarly, the federal government has abandoned Musharraf's unpopular plan for constructing more cantonments in the province. Chief Minister Raisani says he is now trying to restore the trust of the people.
Yes, this is what I said. I've directed the Home Department to furnish me the list of all the people detained in political cases and to put up all their summaries so that I start withdrawing these cases. And I've had many people released. Well, you know, I had the release of so many political prisoners, including Abdullah B. Bangladeshi. And maybe people take credit of it. That is their job, but no, I say it was my duty to have these kind of people released where for the last 8 years their cases were under trial and they could not convict them. Either convict or allow them to go.
In another confidence-building measure, 89 politically motivated cases were withdrawn. Prime Minister Yusuf Raza Gilani had announced and promised the release of all missing persons on the eve of Eid al-Adha. Family members and relatives spent a sleepless night anticipating the return of their loved ones.
यही सिलसिला चल रहा रहा तो ईद की सारी रात ये लवाहिकीन जितने भी थे उनके माँ बहन छोटे छोटे बच्चे दरवाजे से सर लगा के बैठे रहे कि अभी हमारे बच्चे आएंगे, अभी हमारे प्यारे आएंगे। यहाँ तक कि एक दूसरे को लवाहिकीन टेलीफोन पे बातें करके पूछ रहे थे कि आपका बच्चा आ गया, आपका बेटा आ गया, आपका भाई आ गया, लेकिन कहीं से भी ये जवाब नहीं मिला कि नहीं, हमारे बच्चे कहीं भी कोई भी नहीं पहुँचा है।
People of Balochistan have always been skeptical about formation of committees and announcement of packages. Despite Aghaaz-e-Haquq-e-Balochistan package, missing political workers in Balochistan are yet to reach their homes. We are going to take another short break. Stay tuned.